There's been a few. I would say one that I was really disappointed about is I was trying to make an A1 Steakhouse beef sausage because I like A1 and stuff like that. But unfortunately, the vinegar content in sauces like that actually break down the meat. The flavor was great, but it becomes so crumbly that even after smoke, you could cut the end and you could pour the sausage out of the casing. So that's how crumbly it becomes. There are ways to combat that in sausage making with encapsulated vinegars and things like that, but to have that A1 flavor and be able to touch on that, it's one of those ones that may venture on, might not be possible to do and remain or be able to keep the texture intact that you need to be able to consider it edible sausage, I guess. So that was kind of disappointed because I thought that flavor, and it really was, the flavor was really good. That's one of the ones that no matter how many times we go back to the drawing board, it always ends up not a success. And so, like I said, sometimes you just can't get there until they make encapsulated A1 sauce. I think I'll be in trouble.